services. Hello and welcome to this lesson, the continuation of how to add your product and services to Gmax card. So this is what you're doing that you want people, your customer, your client to see when they open your profile. Okay, be it in your link in bio, be it you share your barcode to them. So like I said in the last video, this is automatically imported from our V card. Remember when we created our V card, then the products and services you might need to name it here because obviously you are just creating new product. Then you want to add your price here, you want to put your product description here, and you want to upload your image here, anything that represents what you're doing. So I always advise to do that because it shows very well when people open your profile. That alone speak about what you're doing. Then always add your description. So the next thing I want to show us is, the drop down here. Just make sure you click the drop down. The email and the phone number will automatically, you know, appear because we have set that one up initially. So if you now want people to, stroll to your contact details, you just click on it. This will give them access to stroll to your contact details. If you want people to stroll to inquiry form, maybe your business is for them to have a business with you, they need to fill a form. There is a particular inquiry form that you want them to see. Then you click on stroll to inquiry. That means you are not just selling directly, or you are not giving your price away directly, or maybe the kind of job or business you do or services you provide requires the customer to inquiry first. So you might want to click on inquiry form. Then if you want to sell directly from your Gmax card, then click on buy now. Then if you want people to book appointments with you, so you want to click on book now. Then if you want to redirect people to your website, take for example, if you have a website where you sell your products, or the website that represents your business, where you want to give them more details about what you do, you will just put custom URL. Okay, so I'll be showing us how to use this custom URL because most of us might not want to sell directly from Gmax card. I sell directly from Gmax card, okay, and I still sell directly from my websites. Okay, so you want to click on custom URL if you are not selling. Okay, and if yours is for people to book, let's say for example you are a barber and that people have to obviously get the services before paying, it might be book now. Okay, so they might want to book now, then from there they can come to your shop and get the services done, then you get your pay. But if you're somebody that want to use this to sell directly to customer, like people like us that are into online business, buying and selling, we can sell directly from Gmax card. Okay, and if you want to sell on Gmax card and still want to direct people to your URL, just click on the particular product you want to sell. Click on buy now. Okay, if what you're doing is to redirect people to your URL, that is website, then click on website URL. So for this lesson, for the purpose of this lesson, I will just use URL for now. Okay, so I will just click on URL. So here you want to name it. Okay, so if it is to redirect people, you can just pick on learn more. Okay, because this everything is not ending here. All right, but you want to get your URL. Okay, you want to get your URL and just put it there. Okay, so take for example now, let's say this is my URL. I've obviously I have it. If you don't have it there, just go back there, copy it, and just paste it here. All right, once you paste it there, then you want to click on create. Okay, create. It always say that initially, so don't worry about it because I have not put in the. So in this case, if you are redirecting people to URL, just put 0 here. You need to put something, that's why it's not going. And if you want to name it, let's say this one, I just want to name it. Okay, just put something, because if you don't fill all this, it will not go through. This you might still it might go through. Okay, so this one too, you might just want to put something, online store. Remember, yours might be different from mine. Okay, so then you just want to create, and you can see it just went through. Okay, make sure you fill in the necessary information. Okay, and this is the store we just created now. So with this one now, people we need to go to my website. But for people that want to buy directly from me, you can see this one, they can just click on buy now when they open my profile. All right, and if there is anything you want to do, that, or maybe, oh, you've made a mistake, you want to correct something, you want to add something, you want to update, you want to, optimize, just click on edit, and it will take you back to where you were before, and you can always readjust whatever you want to readjust here. Okay, and just click on update. Then if you want to delete, is the same thing. You can see the delete button here. Just go ahead and click the delete button, and that is how to add your products and services to your Gmax card. Okay, see you on the next lesson. See you in the next lesson.